Today is Monday, June 2nd, and this is your forecast for the western United States. Welcome to summer, at least for meteorologists, because summer officially for meteorologists begins on June 1st. That is called meteorological summer. It accounts for June, July, and August, the full months. Kind of keeps it neat and clean for climate reasons. So again, welcome to summer. And it felt very much like summer here late last week and through the start of the weekend. It's a little bit more seasonable here on this Monday, thanks to some fog and clouds this morning, but it will turn brighter and warm up nicely for us this afternoon with highs in the mid 70s, and then we'll fall back closer to 70 with a few clouds later on this evening. In San Diego, a little bit of a gloomy start this morning, and then as we head into the afternoon, we get to about 72 degrees, and then later on this evening, scattered clouds and temperatures falling back into the upper 60s. So this is a look at the map across the United States. This is the weather story. Dry here in the west. There's a storm system coming out of the Rockies today that could produce an area of severe weather, basically from northeastern New Mexico up through Colorado and into portions of the Central Plains. There's also high pressure out east, and the circulation around it's going to cause this pretty big warm up across the eastern half of the country. So back here in the west, now it's relatively cooler here along the coast and not as hot here in the interior parts of the west, but it's still very warm. 92 as opposed to 100 there in Sacramento, 96 in Vegas as opposed to like 104 like it was a couple days ago, 92 with maybe even a thunderstorm over toward Phoenix, 95 in Bakersfield today, 100 or just about that in Palm Springs, 100 today in Brawley, but right around 70 for you in Oceanside over to Santa Barbara. This is your 7-day forecast. The temperatures staying maybe even cooler than what we're seeing today here through Wednesday. And then it looks like we'll warm up a little bit here just in time for next weekend. And it still looks like lots of sunshine for the second half of the week as our highs warm into the upper 70s. That is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone's week gets off to a great start. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.